Hello, today for you I have a 2015 Subaru Impreza. Little white hatchback here. It's a 2-litre auto, the FB20 engine. I'll jump in here and get the key out of my pocket and start it up for you. Hopefully we don't have a flat battery. Don't think we did, I think I drove it out here. I know, how many kilometres we got? Turn that steering wheel. Wipers are on. We have 63,292 Ks. Away we go. Fires up nicely. Tap in the front, as you can see, the airbags have gone off. All the Subaru stuff, it's 20 degrees outside and much the same inside. Drive safely. It's automatic, black cloth trim. I had a dog in here, but it's clean enough. Do the rounds for you. We've got 3 good doors and a tailgate, the mud guards and some headlights. Factory alloys. Pop the bonnet here. Find the latch. Found it, can't move it. 1 second please. There we go. Let's stay up. Alright, there's our engine. Kicking away. We've got there 8:15. Modified front. Headlight needs a repair there, we'll repair that and be like new. Good headlight there, mudguard. Factory alloys, a couple of light scratches on them. Good doors. One door had a tiny mark. There's our trim. I think this door's got a mark there, so otherwise the rest of them are quite good. Back there. Tail lights, rear bar, tailgate, all good. The factory's the space saver spare and a toolkit in the boot here. There they are. 16 inch. And that's really all there is to it. Nice little Impreza. For sale. Not for sale, for wrecking. So if you need any parts for your little white Impreza, give us a call on 02 46 46 1733. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.